An attempt to thwart the interviews for the next NDPP was of no moment as the advisory panel decided to forge ahead, despite a legal threat from the Democratic Alliance.
We have received a letter with intention to interdict the process. This letter comes from, where's the letter now? Okay, I put it somewhere. It's coming from Minde, Shapira, and Smith attorneys on behalf of the Democratic Alliance, of threatening to go to court urgently. The letter is dated the 7th, but was received by us as the panel today, so we had to reflect on it. I will not go into detail because we do believe that this is self-inflicted agency, but also there are no merit on it because we have not shortlisted.
The letter seen by SABC News charges that the quote-unquote shortlisting process is unlawful, and it appears that the political party takes issue with the candidate list, including former NDPP advocate Menzi Simelane, who previously had his appointment invalidated by the Constitutional Court. The DA contends that his suitability is of serious concern and questions whether it can taint the process. This forms part of an overall theme surrounding perceptions of the state of the NPA, a topic that was directly confronted by one of the candidates, advocate Adrian Mop, after he was probed about the cracks in the NPA that was previously addressed by advocate Shamila Batoyi during her appearance before the ad hoc committee.
The one thing we haven't done as an organization is we haven't amongst ourselves spoken about what state capture was and how it manifested in the organization. And I lamented that fact. And I said it's a critical step that we have missed as an organization because there's a very strong perception that the entire NPA was corrupt. There are many of us who feel like I do. There were a few individuals, and I'm not saying definitively they were part of state capture. I'm saying that they needed to explain their conduct so that we could all understand what happened. And so that didn't happen. And I think that was a missed opportunity.
The 6 candidates participating in the process garnered 281 public comments, of which 209 were solely dedicated to one of the candidates, current IDAC head, advocate Andrea Johnson. Johnson currently leads IDAC, an institution that has faced criticism over the failure to secure convictions in state capture-related matters. Johnson, who was probed on one of these matters, that is the corruption case against former Eskom boss Matshela Koko, admits it was enrolled too early.
We enrolled that matter earlier than we should have. That was a lesson we took. And in taking that lesson, we seek then to make sure that our matters are better prepared. The investigations are finalized to date of enrollment. We have ring-fenced matters so that we don't have open-ended investigations.
The interviews continue. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Pretoria.